Hi. So this customer today, totally asked one of our girls, she was like, "You're gonna put the change in there, right?" Like she asked one of our girls to pay the rest of her coffee. I was like, really? We actually had a customer that felt so entitled that she seriously thought that at a place of business, one of the workers were going to pay for her. And then we had another one today. Drive-through adventures. Just came through the drive-through. It took forever. It took like probably 5 or 6 minutes to get the order right. Everything was so loud in there. Oh, why? Because they had... What did she tell me? Was it like 6 kids? All like out of seats. Like just very illegally. Like they had 2 adults in the front and then one kneeling on the side in the front seat. And then like 3 in the back. Oh my god. So it's like, heaven forbid they get into an accident and like 3 of those kids go flying. Like, just car seats, buckles, common sense. You're not entitled. The end.